Hello and welcome to our English video. Today, we're going to learn a very common English phrasal verb. Do you know what a phrasal verb is? It's a verb plus a preposition or an adverb. Today's phrasal verb is get back at. It's a useful phrase, but it means something maybe a little negative. Let's find out. So, what does get back at someone mean? It means to take revenge on a person. It means you want to do something bad to someone because that person did something bad to you first. You want to make them feel bad too. We also say, get even. Remember, this is usually an informal phrase. You use it when speaking with friends or in everyday situations. Let's look at the structure. We always say, get back at plus the person. Let's look at a story. This is Maria and this is Tom. Yesterday, Tom hid Maria's favorite book. Maria was very angry. Now Maria wants to do something bad to Tom. Maria says, I will get back at Tom. He took my book, so I will eat his lunch. Maria is getting back at Tom. She is taking her revenge. Here is another example. This is John. John's boss was very mean. The boss fired John. John lost his job. John is very upset. He says, my boss was unfair. I must get back at him. So John decides to write a bad review of the company online. He wants to hurt his old boss. John is trying to get back at his old boss because the boss treated him badly. Let's practice quickly. I will say a situation, and you think about the meaning. Situation 1. My sister broke my phone. Now, I want to get back at her. What does this mean? It means I want to take revenge on my sister for breaking my phone. Maybe I will hide her shoes. Situation 2. The football team lost the game last year. This year, they want to win to get back at the other team. What does this mean? They want to win to have their revenge for the loss last year. They want to show the other team they are better. So we know get back at means to take revenge. But why do people want to get back at someone? People often feel angry or sad when someone is unfair to them. Maybe someone tells a lie about them, or maybe someone breaks something important. When this happens, a person might think, this is not fair. I want to make them feel bad too. For example, my friend borrowed my new bicycle and broke it. I'm very, very angry. I think, he broke my bicycle. I will get back at him by not speaking to him for a week. So, the reason is usually a strong, negative emotion, like anger or feeling unfairness. People want to show the other person that their actions have consequences. But remember, getting back at someone is not always the best solution. It can cause more problems. Be careful. English has another phrasal verb that sounds similar, but the meaning is completely different. The phrase is get back to someone. This phrase has no revenge. It's a very common, polite phrase. Get back to someone means to reply to them later, or to call or email them later. Listen to the two examples. They use different phrases and have different meanings. Example 1. Using get back to. Sarah sends a question to Mark. Mark is busy. Mark says, I'm busy now, but I will get back to you after lunch. Here, Mark means he will contact Sarah later. It is a polite promise. Example 2. Using get back at. Anna's colleague was mean and stole her idea. Anna says, I'm so angry. I must get back at my colleague. Here, Anna means she must take revenge for the bad thing her colleague did. Great job! Today, you learned the phrasal verb get back at. Remember, it means to take revenge on someone. Thank you for watching. Try to use this phrase this week. Maybe you can use it in a sentence about a movie or a book. See you next time for more English. Bye-bye!